Here is a detailed, exam-ready explanation of a urethrotome without. 1. Introduction. A urethrotome is an important instrument in urology used for the management of urethral strictures. A urethral stricture is a narrowing of the urethra caused by fibrosis, trauma, infection, or inflammation, leading to difficulty in urination. The urethrotome allows surgeons to perform internal urethrotome, a minimally invasive procedure in which the stricture is incised to restore normal urinary flow. 2. Definition. A urethrotome is an endoscopic surgical instrument designed to cut or incise urethral strictures under direct visualization, thereby widening the urethral lumen. 3. Types, based on mechanism. 1. Cold knife urethrotome uses a sharp blade to incise the stricture, most commonly used method. 2. Laser urethrotome uses laser energy, e.g. holmium, YAG laser, provides precise cutting with less bleeding. Based on visualization. 1. Optical urethrotome, Sachs type, has a telescope for direct vision, most widely used. 2. Blind urethrotome, rarely used now. No visualization, higher risk of complications. Heterophore parts of urethrotome. 1. Outer sheath, metallic tube inserted into the urethra, provides protection and pathway for instruments. 2. Optical system, telescope, provides direct visualization of urethra, connected to camera and monitor. 3. Working channel, allows passage of cutting instrument or laser fiber. 4. Cutting mechanism, knife blade or laser fiber, used to incise the stricture. 5. Light source connector, provides illumination inside urethra. 6. Handle control unit, allows surgeon to control movement and cutting. 5. Uses treatment of urethral strictures, relief of urinary obstruction, diagnostic visualization of urethra, used in procedures like direct vision internal urethrotomy, DVIU, sometimes used before urethral dilatation. Number 6. Precautions. Maintain aseptic, sterile technique, proper lubrication before insertion, avoid forceful insertion to prevent urethral injury, accurate identification of stricture location, avoid deep or excessive cutting, monitor patient for bleeding or complications, ensure proper sterilization of instrument. Number 7. Key features. Endoscopic, minimally invasive instrument, provides direct vision, precision cutting capability, compatible with camera and light source, can use blade or laser, designed for delicate urethral structures. 8. Advantages. Minimally invasive compared to surgery, short hospital stay, often daycare procedure, faster recovery, less pain and trauma, immediate improvement in urine flow, can be repeated if needed. Number 9. Risks and complications, bleeding, infection, UTI, recurrence of stricture common, false passage formation, wrong track creation, perforation of urethra, urinary incontinence, rare, erectile dysfunction, very rare. Number 10. How to use procedure DVIU. Step-by-step procedure. 1. Preparation. Patient is positioned, usually lithotomy position. Local, spinal, or general anesthesia is given. 2. Insertion. Urethrotome is gently inserted into urethra. 3. Visualization. Telescope helps locate the stricture. 4. Incision. Stricture is incised, usually at 12 o'clock position. Knife or laser is used. 5. Widening. Urethral lumen is widened. 6. Post-procedure. A catheter is inserted for a few days. Antibiotics may be given. 7. Follow-up. Monitor for recurrence. Sometimes periodic dilation is needed. Number 11. Conclusion. The urethrotome is a vital instrument in modern urology, offering a safe, effective, and minimally invasive method for treating urethral strictures. While it provides rapid symptom relief and ease of use, recurrence remains a major limitation, requiring proper follow-up and patient care. Thank you. Have a nice day.